Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this colorful overlay on CapCut PC. Go to library and add in a wide stock video. I'm just going to freeze frame it and I'm going to delete the rest of the clip so that I can extend it. Then we are going to go to effects and you're going to search for color negative, I think it's called. I don't know why it's taking so long to load like effects now. Okay, it's this one and you're just going to apply it on top of that. You can also adjust the speed and you can also adjust the color here. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and you'll have this like colorful overlay and you can like select any blend mode that you want to use over it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!